Hey guys, it's Jamie. We're going to do threading on the HCD3 because I know a lot of you were asking me how to thread because some of the machines have these nice little tubes and some do not. So to start, we ran out of thread and we're completely out, and we're gonna have to get it through this tube. This piece right here conveniently pops off, so I can leave it hanging. I'm then going to thread an embroidery needle, and I usually have one that, you know, an old one is even okay. I can see the hole. There we go. I'm going to thread the embroidery needle, and then I'm going to place it with the fat end down in here, and then I'm going to conveniently, come on, shake it right down. Here it comes. And then the needle comes out with the thread on it. I can then go ahead and place this back on here. Bam. So with our thread hanging out, we're gonna put it underneath here. There's a notch up here, the notch on the bottom. It's gonna conveniently go right underneath there. If I can get it. There we go. And then this spring right here, it needs to go underneath this bar. So I'm gonna pull this up and move it to the side so I can easily get my thread underneath that bar. And once it's underneath, I will move this back. It does not go all the way around that one. We're gonna then go to the left of the bar, and then you need to do a completely 360 around this. .360 needs to go all the way around. You got to be careful because it needs to stay in the channel. If it jumps out of the channel, goes behind it, goes in front of it, it will give you false thread breaks. So once we have it all the way around, when you pull it, I see something's wrong. It should go in a circle. There we go. See how it goes in the circle? And then we're going to hook it in this loop. It's going to go to the right of that, underneath another one of these latches. It's going to go down here. It doesn't hook on anything. There's 2 bars here. We're going to go to the right of the bar and pull down the thread. To the right of the bar, I'm sorry. To the right of the bar. Thread. It's going to go through the spring hole. It's going to then go up on the other side of the double bar. It does not go in this hole right here because that's when we got to come back down. We then are going to thread through the take-up lever. I call it the hammer. And then it's going to come down through the hole on the left, then back down through the next hole, and there's a thread catch right here. I can take my index finger and push to the right, and it pops it right in there. We're going to thread this needle and make sure that the groove of the needle is facing forward and the notch faces backwards, and latch it. We are done. So that's how you're going to thread the HCD3.